Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's JanscrazyLife. So the next book that I'm going to show is from Perfectly Imperfect Crafts. If you guys aren't subbed to her, you should. I will have her channel and all her information linked below, as well as in the eye at the top somewhere. I think it's going to be this way. Anyway, look how beautiful this is. So she's got this beautiful fabric, and I don't know if it was glittered or not. I know she probably has told me. Hold on. She probably has told me, Kat, I am just going to glue down where I probably pulled it up, or the bag did, but alright, perfect. It's brand new again. The snowflake, y'all know. Alright, so beautiful, beautiful. Look at the spine. Look at the back. She made this beautiful tassel. I mean, the Santa alone is so gorgeous. Love, love the trims in this tassel. So Kat used a bunch of stuff. She has this beautiful, beautiful trim as their closure. Kat used a bunch of stuff that she had in her stash for quite a while, like old Christmas cards, which are pretty amazing. The joy is glittered out. Okay, so look how beautiful this is. She's got this beautiful snowflake die cut, but it's only half glued down because she made this amazing tuck spot with these little trees. How stinking cute and creative is that? It says this book belongs to. Love that. Here it is a belly band with this vintage Santa. Look how beautiful that journaling card is. So if you look down the side of the book, she's got all of her inserts to where they kind of catty corner. So she has this beautiful page, and there's this beautiful pocket here. And there's journaling spots. That ticket is adorable. Oh, did we see this beautiful paper? Then down here it says "Let It Snow." It's so cold outside today. I wish it would snow for how cold it is, but it won't. Let me see. I'm just making sure I'm not missing a flip up, because I know one of them. Okay, moving on to this page. Let It Snow, Merry Christmas. This flips up, and oh my god. So look how cute. And she has them backed. They're super sturdy. Look at these gingerbread. So cute. And she has them backed with this paper. So it's so cute. And they go in this little bitty tuck spot. It's also a belly band. Let me get on camera. How adorable is that? And then it says North Pole Production Presents. And then she's got these cute little pockets. But before we get to the pocket, let's see the whole flip out. And then she's got these cute die cuts, or cut aparts, or whatever. So cute. And they go in the tuck spot. I love this ornament. Look at him. Doesn't he make you happy? So then there's these beautiful little pockets, and she's got, it says special guest appearance, Santa, weather permitting. That's so cute. In there. And then we're going to tuck that. And then there's this other little pocket. And it says, pet a reindeer, meet an elf, jingle a bell. It kind of sounds like my night last night. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. So then there's this beautiful page. I love that you put the sticker, and it kind of... Elijah! Shh, I'm recording a video. Y'all hear that noise? It's Legos. So she's got a double angle pocket with little ones. So there's these little bitty ones that have these tickets. And then here, and then in this one, there is this beautiful snowman with this wreath. And then look how pretty this paper is. But I think it, hold on, we're gonna get this back in here. We got this, girls. We can do it. You did it. All right, hold on, not yet though. All right, go in there. All right, we got it. You did it. All right. It's an inside joke with me and the girls. All right, so then there is our pullout, and look how Kat did all her scraps and made this beautiful paper. Love that. And that goes back in its slot. Okay. I want to put it in there where it still comes out like she had it. So then there's this beautiful pocket at the bottom. So cute. And then she made a journaling card out of that paper. So stinking cute. And then, dun, 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 there's a 3-tier. Hold on. It's a 3-tier. So there's this one, and then back here. Look how cute that one is with the stitching. So cute. And then over here, there is, I love that she uses twine so much. It's so cute. So this flips with this Brad, right? This ticket. And then there's him. But the whole page flips out. How cute is that? Place to journal. So then there is another one of these where she used her scraps. So cute. Love that. And I want to put this back in the way she had it. Okay. It was here, I think, or was it there? We're good. All right, so then there's this page, and I think this was one of her favorites, but I love this. Look how vintage it looks. So cute. Look at the doily behind the layering piece. So then there is a pocket here on the side with the little spot to journal. And there's also a pocket here with, I'm not going to pull it out, but that has a spot to journal. And then there's another one of these. Oh, look, she did some stamping. How cute is that? Alright, so let me put this back in here. Alright, so then there is this page. Look at this washi, is so cute. This is Let It Snow. It's like a vintage card almost. Then there's this page, and if you notice, she used all kinds of different pieces of paper and hand stitched a bunch of with the pen. She's gorgeous. And then there is that one that goes in here, back in its slot. And then there's this page with the belly band. It's got a double belly band. So there's a journaling card here and then here. But I need to pull this one. It says, oh, look at the music paper and look. Wow, that's beautiful, Kat. And then there is a gingerbread paper behind them. Here is a bookmark. Look at these little things. And then in the side pocket, there are more journaling cards. So cute. And I'm just putting everything back in its slot. So there is another. Oh, that's pretty. You have to wait. I'm recording a video and you have to be quiet, okay? Alright, sorry. Get in the slot. Okay, we're gonna get it in there. That's the trickiest thing, right? Maybe it could be me. Alright, I'm gonna put this in on my own. So look at this. This is so creative. Kat made a double pocket using, she ripped it, which I never would have thought of that, but I will steal this idea. Look at this beautiful paper behind it. And then she's got, I love how she put so much journaling spots. Look at these. How cute are those? The birds. And then on the double one, she's got these little bitty bingo vintage kind of tickets. So cute. And then here's a belly band, and then look how pretty is that. And I love that it's rounded, but it's not at the bottom. So cute. And then she's got this vintage Christmas card that flips out, and she's got an angled with this cute snowman. Look at this. Do you have a die cut that does this? Wow, those ornaments are amazing. And then I love that she just put a little stickles on random snowflakes. And then, shall we dare? So there is, I'm not going to pull it all the way out. There is another one, and then here is this beautiful paper. Look at this paper. But she put the snowman down here, and he's a tuck spot, and look how pretty this paper is. Gorgeous. Alright, so we're gonna tuck that back, and then here is a beautiful tree with some stickles, or it might be Wingastella. And then that's beautiful. And then here is another card in here. Get in there. Alright. So then there is this beautiful paper, and it flips up like this. And then over here, this is like a napkin pocket that she made. It's so pretty. I love that it's, oh, I don't want to mess it up. So you can see through it. This glitter paper behind it is gorgeous. Over here is a top pocket. That tag is amazing. It says Merry Christmas. That flips back, and then there is an envelope with something in there. I'm not going to open it. And then there's this page that she has left alone, which I totally would have too. I love that. And then there is another spot that goes, tab that goes in the pockets. There is a side pocket here with this beautiful blue, and look how pretty this is. And she's embossed snowflakes on that paper. I hope the camera's picking it up. So pretty. And then there is that, and then here these beautiful snowflakes. That must be a die that you have. And this goes tucked in here. Shh, I'm recording a video.
I know.
Okay, but you have to be quiet though. So then this is pretty amazing. So Kat painted this herself. And there's texture paste. I thought you were going to scan it in, but this is, I think she added more. She signed it. This is all painted by Kat. We were doing a live and we're flipping cards, and this is what Kat created. It's all painted and done. So beautiful. Even the belly band. Love this, Kat. Such an amazing piece of work. I think I would have kept that for myself. So then there's this, and it's like a vintage card that's been cut out, and then she has the 3 pockets. Elijah, shh. Girl, he's been quiet all day, but as soon as the camera comes on, it's like crazy has left the building. So then in this pocket, look at these beautiful cut aparts. And then, oh, there's 4 pockets. Hold on. So there's this one, which is a tuck spot. That's why you had it the way you did. Okay. This goes in here. This goes in here. And then 5. There's multiple. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so there's another one here. Look how pretty. Did you color that? And then there is this one. So there's another pull out. I'm going to pull it back in. And then there's this page that flips up. And so pretty. And down. And it's magnetized. So it closes with magnets. And then there is this page. Look at the paper in the back. So cute. Oh, it's an envelope. How stinking cute is that? In the pocket. So cute. And then there is this page. It has a tag tuck behind this vintage card, but I love that she put the page in the back and kind of ripped it and then inked it up. So here is a string belly band. So check this out, guys. She punched holes through it and then used ribbon to make this beautiful belly band and put these beautiful cards behind it. How stinking creative is that? And then there is this page. Okay, so there's a pocket up here with these beautiful cut aparts. This is one night only, December 25th. But I love this. I think this is my favorite. So I think it was a cut apart, but what she did was she used like green tissue paper on top of the paper so you can still see through it. And I don't want to, it's so pretty. I love that. And then it says handmade by Perfectly Imperfect Crafts by Kat. Christmas Altar Book Swap 2008. And then here is a double pocket. And amazing job, Kat. Clean, clean, clean. So pretty. Don't forget to check out Kat's channel and subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.